Ngala job bun ki Jing Iongkhul nre yo covid ndai ngaya khul da katika ay katika covid ndai kanong Iongkhul persha kane kaklam
but those posts were dismantled by the Meghalaya police and all. It shouldn't have happened. And we had talks with border ministers from like Meghalaya also. Then we came to the decision that they will remove it. But at the last moment they said we won't remove it. Then only we have to remove it.
When is your last correspondent that you have asked border minister?
No, he was here. He was
yesterday.
here. Yeah, he was here. He was here. You can ask him. He was here. He was here. MEGCL, that electricity company was here.
That discussion at the CM level is going.
It's going on. That's why
you
it
don't want
shouldn't have
any
happened,
more clashes will be there.
sir. No.
Suppose school building has been constructed now. Assam police will come and destroy it. We have to maintain.
We won't destroy it because if
I've
it
never
comes
heard
under.
that
But if it in our land, then we have to take steps.
Meghalaya
No, sir.
government will go and destroy
But
it.
the government will decide, sir. Government will decide. We are not deciding. Both the government will decide. But we are just protecting our own land.
That claim, counter claim are there.
Be there, sir.
As per
Let the government
6th
decide.
schedule, this very much fall within Meghalaya, within the Himalayan.
As per our land records, this falls under Assam, sir. So we have to respect our own land records, sir.
Each other, we have to respect each other.
Just the same, sir.
Hadin ka Jing khi ka bajur ha kasnong Iongkhuli kabalaja hanin kasngi ka arpun rew tarik unaitung habai dei baga jingsha phut jubor yaki post electric haki bor sarkar jong ka jilla Assam balwan thung lengba daga tanat ka boarding na ka jilla ka MEPDCL manta kasngi ka arpun rew tarik unaitung kinong mikmat na ka seng congress ki bakanthop na du MLA ka nong po constituency uba Meral Bonds aim UMLA ko umroy constituency uba George Billingdo UMDC kinong po constituency uba Balajet Rani barharangkat kinong yalam bagi dekhot jong ka ribhoy congress committee kilalik hierarchy dalade sakate kasnong nagabanta ban aimen sim ki paiba nong song snong jong ka Iongkhuli bat ban lapru ya ka daw ka basisha halor kate ka jingwan kamtrai jubor jong ka jilla Assam ya ka khandau ka siap jong ka jilla nakaliang ka ribhoy congress committee kala Pynrem jur ya ka jingwan Thombor ki pulet bat ki bor sarkar jong ka Assam kaba kim dei hok satya ki trai jong ka te ka jaka barshushu kila kuntu jur ya ki bor sarkar jilla Meghalaya bakin sim khiano mardor habai dei bat ka te ka benta lem kumta kan poi ka por bakanja kumbalaja ha ka jilla Mizoram
Menagasni ngidan nakaliang jongka Rbdcc District Congress Committee. Kajingdan lang iba George, MLA ko umroy, Balajet Rani, MDC ko Notiskam na po agad iti dito. Ngidan ang niya po nung Iongkhuli. Kawangat apo ka right marwet, apo ka Himalayan, apo ka jala Meghalaya gitu. Kadon ka jingja ka basusi ba menin, ka ba nagaliang jong ka sarkar Assam, nagaliang jong ipulit jong ka Assam, balay saw putun, kilawan, ban weng ya kini ki post electric, ki post light, ban light ya ki katok ni gilong ying hang ne po Iongkhuli. Nagaliang ka jong ki Pynrem jur ya gani ka jing le Thombor, jong ka sarkar Assam. Kajing bom sunyo, ya kajing ide para jela para marjan. Di Pynrem jur yang jing le jong ki jing ja ka menin. Hagaju ka por. Di Pynrem juru halor kajing takti yau MDC jeng ba chas marngar bala poy yang ni jaka menin. Nagaliang ka DCC bang ayo jing pendek bagi lapoy. Ban Pynrem jur ya gini kajing le gitu. Ada kesengi dan hang ni ban ya kendu ya ini kinong yalam senong. Ki rang ba senong ba para marjan ki bala biniran rengkat ban tip kai ka baja si sang ni. Kumbala ban sungthu haki ni ki kendiat si ki bala dep. Kadang don ka jing ya penbet apa deng ki menteri rang ba jong ini ki arteli ki jela ban ya keren ban penbet ya putusam. Di pas kau longok kolong matang si sengi ar sengi hadin bala dep kini ki jing keren. kalaja kani ka jing Pynrem Pynrem ka jing le Thombor by force na sarkar Assam ya ki kampun roy ki bag jelam ke dia kan le idai ban sutu biang-biang bagani senong Iongkhul kadai part an parcel kadai ka Meghalaya kadai hapo ka Raj Marwet hapo ka Hima Melim beri uput usam jong gejala ka jungi bat kani kadai tang ke jing wan le Thombor na ka sarkar Assam kidon bun ki bagi persang ban penbit ya kinong song senong ki jungi namar kata ismo ban kentu ya ka sarkar jela ka jungi Bamdei ban island ya gi bukum kini ki jing Thombor na kaliang jong ka sarkar Assam na kapor sa kapor kani kamdei ka bajatang benta kapor ki beradap kumaling ju keren nadu arjar kendai nadu ar hajar arpo gidon nadu cispa khat sauteli ki jingja ki insiden ha gejala barok kowe ki belawara ki jing suksi bat ni sopala bu chief minister jong ka Assam tang sian udon bidon uong bagidon do san pulai teli ki jingja baka asa ka Meghalaya ka kentur sa Meghalaya ka Assam ka Meghalaya ka kentur sa Assam adu arjar khandriu hadu menta ka bolong ki ka bom sola ban priang ha ka ba ki tang ki jing jalam bakra de ngela ban i ba ki jing Thombor ki jing wan le Thombor ki tang na kaliang jong ka Assam dei terma kata ni Pynrem ya gini ki jingja hamtam gini ka menin bat ki wi di jingja bat ni kentu bat ni dawa na kaliang jong Rbdcc baga sarkar jela kedai ban sim serius gini gijingja ngim dei ban sya jam ngi gijingja po Mizoram golong kumtu barok ngi gi social media ngim kwa bakan mi kano ke kendrum kendram ke ban umsnam bat tenta tenta ngi kwa bande ya kano da ke ba jai tang ba lada ka sarkar Assam kadang yaile na ka por kum ni kano pinyasa keding nak daw keding ka por sarkar ngi kedai ban yang scam ha kanong rim badai ban penbet kloy badi ban yada yala ujong upu Assam ngi kenturu ki kampun roy ki bubun ki badai ban wara na kaliang jong sarkar ni badai ban ang penbun bang ba ki skim ba her nam ginong song gi jong giru kin long si kin yo ki jing mentoy bandon gi jing terengkar ban ginang budi nang ne sakban ilai penbet ha ka mangi nei kendu ki bor ki badai pej man ngitip kani kadai ka 6 schedule ka kendo ka bangilong try mangi kakat kum ka riti penya jong ka ri ke jungi lengba kan ke khnit ka bandriu ka ai kerpang ba khendo ke siap ka di ke jungi ini penbet kerpang ba sim jong ka Raj Marwet ba ke district council ka Hima Melim ha ban ngilek kat bala ban pentikna bangim di bendu ya kan ke khendo ka bangidon ka bangiyang ka bangirap ngiriang ngiim na kan ke khendo ka boleh la suspa na ka beta jungi bat kan ke jingwan jungi kan ke sngi kalong ha ju ka por banwan ai mensim ya gini ginong song senong ki badan hang ni ki ba im ha padang jing seir ha padang jing sengting dang jing wan sya pen wit na ka por sa ka por jing wan ban ai men sin ki ha ju ka por ban kenturu ya sarkar ka jing ban kaliang ka jungiro yang ni terengkat ban ai jing mut ban budin ba gini ki jing Thombor kemdi ban ja ban ha ju ka por ba yo put usam di ban penbet ja kloy kat bala
Dr. Oxygen generator does not need battery or electricity and has a long shelf life. Dr. Oxygen, a small and a light gadget, is not only for the hospitals but for every other public places and health centers, school, gym, clubs, and I would say every home. It is very affordable and a must-have.